Guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel we'll talk about everything about health and wellness, but in today's video we are going to talk about 7 top foods that you should never ever eat, right? So let's do this. Number 1, food that you should never ever eat: orange juice. Pasteurized orange juice. This might surprise you because the cooking process, it destroys everything in it. The pasteurization process significantly destroys the vitamin C content and its natural value. You don't get a lot of vitamin C, it's just sugar water. Spike your blood sugar. It does not have a lot of nutrition because of the cooking kills off the enzymes, and it kills off the enzymes and the nutrition. Not all of it, but a lot of it. Number 2, soy protein isolates. Make sure you read the ingredients. This is not really a natural food for humans. It's not fermented. It does not do well on our bodies, so it actually irritates the liver. Number 3, high fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup has been linked directly to obesity, diabetes, and metabolic dysfunction. Number 4, commercial meats with nitrates. Make sure your sausages, your meat is nitrate free. Study shows that it leads to cancer. You don't want to go down that road, so avoid it. Make sure you eat grass-fed meat. Number 4, commercial milks. Make sure your milk is organic, not milk that contains rBST, which has negative effect on our body. Buy milk that is rBST free. Recombinant Bovine Somatotropin is a synthetic hormone sometimes used to increase milk production in dairy cows. Because of this, many consumers prefer milk labeled rBST free. Some people prefer to avoid milk from cows treated with rBST. Number 6 is the TV diners, which contains proteins, the starch, and desserts all in one. Very low quality food. These TV diners food are foods that comes packaged. When you combine protein with starch with sugar, you are going to massively spike the insulin. The diners, also known as frozen diners, prepackaged meals that are typically frozen for long-time storage and convenience. While convenient, they can vary widely in quality and nutritional value. Lastly, fruits that come from third world country. When you buy berries and fruits from Mexico and Chile, there's a chance they might use DDT. In America, it's illegal to spray DDT. It was banned in 1972. Some fruits from these regions may have been grown using DDT or may have been exposed to it during transportation or storage. DDT is classified as probable human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research in Cancer. Long-term exposure to DDT has been linked to various health issues, including reproductive problems and neurological disorders. I hope you got value from this, so think twice while taking these 7 foods I mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.